Well, I've been telling myself to just take it easy. Been telling myself to take it easy so long. Been telling myself to take it easy for so long. Been telling myself to take it easy for so long. These people around just don't understand what's wrong with me. They see somebody that's just plain crazy, but I have a little bit something to say. They'll never understand what's going on in my mind, and that's what I can't find a way out of here. Trapped like a coyote in a snare. I'm the lone wolf again, it's not fair. But I'm in my mind again. My head isn't clear. So take it easy on me, baby, take it on if you can. Take it easy on me, baby, take it easy if you can. I've been here for so long, I don't even know how to start. Been here for so long, don't even know. Been here for so long, don't even know. I loved you long and I loved you hard. I loved you long and I loved you hard. Can't find my way out of my head. Take me away, take me away, take me away from here. Make me a bird, let me fly away, fly away. Make me a bird, let me fly away, fly away. So, I've been so long without you, without you. And I've been so long without you, without you. Been so long, so long. I haven't seen the break of day. It's been so long, so long since I saw smiling face. So been here for so long, don't know what's going on. Been here for so long, don't know what's going on. Been here for too many years, that's true. Life's passed me by and I've seen it go so many times. Life passing me by right now and I see it clear. Take me away, take me away, take me away. Take me away, take me away, take me away.